Nice and lovely. So, guys, welcome back in the kitchen. You know it's coming up to Valentine's, and a lot of people doing a lot of stuff for the Valentine. But basically today, I want to share something with you guys, which you can do this at home. Basically, say you went to the supermarket or to the shop and you buy some fresh double cream, and you want to do you want to whisk up some cream to put some pancake or to make some Valentine sponge cake or something. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, how to use your fresh cream to make a lovely cream to use at home. So first of all, what you need to do, make sure your double cream is really cold. Pop it into a bowl like this. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right there. This amount of double cream is 100 ml, so it's a lot. All right, don't buy too much, guys, if you know you're not gonna be using it. You need some icing sugar. Icing sugar is a must. So basically what we're gonna do, that 1 large spoon of icing sugar and another large spoon of icing sugar. That's 2 tablespoons. I'm using a tablespoon. 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Some people use a whisk. Some people use a hand whisk or a double whisk like this one, which I'm gonna be using. All you need to do, put it in and whisk it like this. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, you have to just be careful because you don't want it to turn into butter. Basically, as you can see how it look, what you can use for your cake, or if you want to put it on something, anything you want to do. As you can see, the fresh cream turn into cream, and you can use that on cake. Anything you like to use it on, you can use it on. Someone asked me, Chef Ricardo, how you make your cream? Whisk up your cream and turn it into this one, and I said I can do the video, and this is the way it looks. So guys, as you can see, lovely and nice. It tastes and everything. So the icing sugar what makes the difference. So if you want to do this at home, remember, use icing sugar. And also it's coming up to pancake. A lot of people use this kind of cream for pancake. Really nice and beautiful, as you can see. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and if you think it's a nice idea, leave your comments. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.